Hey, welcome to another edition of Tips and Tricks. Today we've got a default record ID to new record. And what I mean here is that I've got two databases, and the second database has got to look up to the first one. And when I create a record in the second database, I want it to automatically reference the mother database or the first database with the record ID already populated. What I mean by that? Well, let's have a look and see. So we've got a bicycle management app here with bicycles and maintenance, and normally we go into maintenance and we create a maintenance record for the bicycle. Now I'm going into the bicycle detail and I'm going to create a new repair, but you can see with the lookup I've got to select one of these, and I actually want the trailblazer automatically in the top. So let me show you how to do this. The detail view has got a record ID in the parameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the wires, I'm going to split my code panel. I'm going to go on the maintenance database, which is the second one, which looks up to the bicycle one, and I'm going to create some defaults. So I'm going to create defaults, colon, then I'm going to address the field, and the field will be my name because I created the app in my name, and then the app name, and then of course the field itself, which here is vehicle_ID. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new line here in the code, and this is YAML, yet another markup language, and create the valueSource with a capital S, and it's going to be a lookup. So I'm looking up from that database to the bicycle one. Just watch the formatting. Then the next one is I'm going to here place the lookup field that I'm going to choose, the lookup wire, sorry, and that's the bicycle one. And then after that I'm going to do the lookup field, and the lookup field is quite simple. It's uesio and then /core.id. So I'll go ahead and save that, and then we can see what the effect is. So if I go new repair, there's the record ID being populated for me. I type in what I want to do, fix the tire, and then of course we will see when I save it, there it is, trailblazer matches trailblazer. Well, hope you enjoyed that. There was another tips and tricks. And of course, there's more coming, so stay tuned.